Light pollution. Light pollution is one of the least discussed forms of pollution, yet has drastic impacts on ecology, human health, and social well-being. All living creatures have evolved using the day and night cycle. 30% of vertebrae and 60% of invertebrae are nocturnal, which increases their susceptibility to the biological harms of light pollution, causing confusion between the lines of day and night. Astronomers in large cities are no longer able to see stars, or even the moon in some cases, due to smog and sky glow. Before discussing the many harmful aspects of light pollution, it is important to know the different types of light pollution. Overillumination is the use of more light than is required to light up an area. This is most common in densely populated cities. Sky glow is the area of light appearing around a city at night. Glare is light that is brighter than what our eyes are used to seeing at night, which is harmful to nearby animals and humans. Light trespass is unwanted light that can come from neighboring dwellings. There are two ways light pollution affects climate change. The first is the reduction of nitrate radical, NO3, during the night. NO3 uses the process of denitrification to remove carbon dioxide, CO2, from the air. Note that NO3 is only present at night, as sunlight and any form of lighting at night destroys it. The overillumination of cities can lead to reducing the nighttime air cleaning process, slowing it by as much as 7%. Therefore, increasing smog and air pollution around heavily light-polluted areas. Research conducted by the American Geophysical Union has shown a strong correlation between light pollution and air pollution in densely populated cities. Cities with a higher tendency for light pollution at night have significantly worse air quality than those without. The second way light pollution affects climate change is by the indirect burning of fossil fuels to power nighttime outdoor lighting. Powering outdoor lighting consumes over 19% of global electricity, releasing over 20 million tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. Paired with the fact that 40% of outdoor night lighting is wasted by escaping into the air where it is not needed, the overillumination of cities proves to be dangerous in more ways than one. But what can be done about this situation? The first step would be to reduce the amount of light that escapes into the atmosphere. This can be achieved by placing a light cover, or shade, on top of streetlights to focus the light towards the ground. This part of the solution would help reduce sky glow and air pollution in urban areas. An additional part to the solution would be to install solar panels onto light fixtures, providing a renewable energy source and cutting down on carbon emissions. Some ways you can help reduce light pollution yourself is by using dimmer motion sensor lights, using fluorescent lights, turning off unnecessary lights, not using blue lights at night due to its harmful effects for humans and animals alike, and using glare-free lighting for your car. For the betterment of our communities, wildlife residents, and our planet, we must work together to acknowledge and restrict light pollution.